Hey guys, Steven from the Happy Profits. Very slow couple days at the market, very indecision, so sometimes it's better to decide not to trade. Haven't been posting, my computer's been a little jacked up, so I apologize. Just want to go over a chart that I was going over live in specifics with some of my traders in a webinar that I usually shoot afterwards, and we actually talk about it live. So I'm going to go over that and where we call out stocks and how early, and the benefits of a big group helping one another help each other. So we had Rob Booker built this group, and we still work together every day. So in the morning, I'm going to just go through this. I think this is probably one of the best things to do today. And you'll have people, I get on a little late. I used to get on early. We had a couple good traders. Roger killed here, Lily killed here, Kevin smoked over here on RNAS. And that's this morning. So, and then I start getting in and I start calling lines. You'll just start seeing little lines at pre-market that should be tested again. So here's one, UPC, XBio, that was the very first run up. You'll see that in a couple seconds. And then it broke down one more time, XBio right here. We're looking at this line for that. I did take this trade right here. That was a 40-cent trade, so good trade. And now I'm going to show you some retrend trades. That's my favorite. Right here, when XBio, we're going to pull it up right here. When this down trades, we're just looking for it to show us a sign. And it's usually going to show us a sign at middle or a down trade. So it downed one more time. And then this little move. Once I see the larger sell-off, I'm happy. Because the larger sell-off means you're not part of the large sell-off, meaning losing money. So right here, you'll start seeing it. The sellers push down one more time. My favorite sign is this wick. This is actually how early you should have got in the trade. Not gonna lie. If I was watching a little harder, I left the trade there all morning, right there. And now the trade starts breaking out with volume. It's touching the 20 from the bottom. That could just be a short ad. We're gonna sit here and watch it. And now the next trade, we're a couple minutes later, it broke. So right here, it broke that level that you saw, pulled back. That's another trade I got in, because it usually tests levels like stair stepping or a pyramid inverted or a pyramid on the way down as well, same test points. And then as it just keeps going up, I pointed out where you could take the trade. I said, hey, eyes on that 1147 line right here. It actually went to like 1390. And then watch. And then I point out why I took the trade. So I'm gonna do this. These are two down, and what you're gonna eventually see is this last push down, these are already going up. So you had three indicators. Here's the MACD if you use that. Otherwise, just group help. And look, we got it all the way to VWAP and a break of VWAP as well. So that's a big trade. Y'all have a great day. Steven from the Happy Profits.